Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make gluten-free maize flour और मक्की के आटे का पराठा, protein and fiber loaded, P.C.O.D, thyroid and diabetic friendly. But before that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break the misleading assumptions and presumptions and bless us all with keen curiosity, sharp sight, clear hearing and far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. Surplus and leftover yellow lentil. Too little yet too much. Hence I thought of combining it with maize flour or makki ka atta. And garam, red chili powder, Himalayan rock or pink or any natural salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, but keep the spices low, garden fresh parsley or cilantro, ginger as per as your taste, garden fresh green chilies again as per as your taste. And as Punjabi parathas are best made in desi ghee, so desi ghee. Surplus and leftover yellow lentil. Mix and knead into a tight gluten-free dough and divide into equal sized balls. Hot plate, tawa or fry pan. Preheat it. Spread a thin plastic cellophane talc sheet. Place the dough ball and then place another sheet over it and flatten it. Lift very gently and carefully place it and allow it to cook. Remember, it is gluten-free and it can break. Drizzle and smear desi ghee and allow it to firm up. Remember, Punjabi parathas are best made with desi ghee. And as the side firms, when firm, lift gently and carefully flip the side. Drizzle, smear and coat well with desi ghee and allow this side to firm up too. And remember, Punjabi parathas are best made with desi ghee. Now again carefully flip to cook the other side well too. And as usual, drizzle, smear and coat well with desi ghee and allow the paratha to firm up. And now a beautiful fragrance begins to fill the air. Continue to flip and cook both sides of the maize flour or makki atta paratha are evenly well cooked and done. Wait, the fragrance fills the air. Continue to flip occasionally till both sides are evenly done and paratha is well cooked. When done, switch off the heat or the flames and serve. There, beautiful, isn't it? And enjoy the maize flour or makki ka atta paratha with butter, tea or any accompaniment of your choice.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.